tied with electric pole at an angle of elevation 30 degrees with the ground. As it covering a long distance, it was cut and tied at an angle of elevation 60 degrees with the ground. How much length of wire was cut? Now in this situation, so unknown thing is how much length of wire which we cut. Okay, so now we want to calculate that value. Okay, so first of all, related to this situation, first of all draw a neat diagram. Okay, so that is, so see this question. So in this first sentence, the object is electric pole. So electric pole is always vertically to the ground. So that's why first of all draw a line. So that is AB. Now this is electric pole. Okay, this is vertical line. So that is considered as electric pole. Now in this electric pole, here the wire is tied with electric pole. So the length of wire is 18 meters. 18 meters length of wire is tied with electric pole. So that means here tied. And another end, this wire having another end is there. So that another end is on observer hand. Okay. Now this is the point. This is the position of observer. That will be taken as. Okay. So already this wire, the first end is tied into electric pole and another end is a observer hand. Now this length of wire already given 18 meters. Through this observer point, draw a horizontal line. Now this vertical line and horizontal line is perpendicular to each other. So that's why here 90 degrees. Now here angle of elevation is formed. How much angle? 30 degrees. This observer point let it be taken as C. Okay. Next sentence is, as it covering a long distance. See this figure here. It covers a long distance. So much distance it is covered. So that's why it was cut and tied at an angle of elevation 60 degrees with the ground. That means it covering a long distance now. So that's why I have to cut this wire and again that wire is tied into electric pole and leave it. Now that another end touches the ground like this. Now this is the point D. Again here at angle of elevation is formed. How much angle? 60 degrees. Okay. Now in this figure, AB is height of a pole and AC is length of the wire and AD is after cutting the wire. This is the remaining length of the wire. Now we want to calculate how much length of wire was cut. So how to find the length of wire which we cut? By subtraction of total length of the wire minus remaining length of the wire. So that's why we have to calculate remaining length of the wire. First of all, I have to calculate remaining length of the wire. Okay. After that, we have to subtract both answers. Okay, ma? So I hope you understand this figure. Now related to this figure, so just write points. So that is from a recent figure. From a recent figure, AB is, let AB is height of a electric pole. Electric pole. So already electric pole measurement not given. Let it be taken as H. AB is equal to H. Okay. Now AC is length of the wire. Length of wire. Already given length of the wire. AC, how much given? 18 meters. Now AD is remaining length of the wire. Remaining length of wire. Okay. At C and D, angle of elevations are formed. That is 30 and 60 degrees. So therefore, angle ACB and angle ADB are angle of elevation. Angle of elevation. So that is angle ACB 30 degrees and angle ADB 60 degrees. Okay. So through this figure, so this is the points mark. Now we have to calculate this remaining length of the wire. So that's why this is the H means what? Height of a pole. So therefore write height of a electric pole. Height of a electric pole. So that is 9 meters. Okay. Next take small triangle, that is ABD. Now triangle ABD. In this ABD triangle, through this angle, this is opposite and this is hypotenuse. Opposite by hypotenuse is related to same side. So that means sine 60 degrees. Formula opposite side of angle 60 degrees by hypotenuse. Sin 60 value root 3 by 2. So opposite side of 60 is AB and hypotenuse is AD. Root 3 by 2 is equal to AB value is H and AD is unknown. Now already related to first triangle already H value you got now 9 meters. This 9 meters substitute in the place of H. Root 3 by 2 is equal to 9 by 8. Okay, now cross multiply. AD into root 3, AD root 3. 9 2s are 18. Now AD is equal to 18 by root 3. Now how to express 18? 6 3s are 18 by root 3. Now in this root 3 in 3 root 3 times cancel. Remaining is 6 root 3. Now AD value is 6 root 3. But already root 3 value, you know that now 1.732. Now calculate that. Now AD is equal to 6 root 3 meters. So everyone knows root 3 value 1.732. Now multiply these two. 6 2s are 12. 6 3s are 18 plus 1 19. 6 7s are 42 plus 1 43 4 remaining. 6 1 6 plus 4 10. 10.392 meters. So that is AD. AD means what? Remaining length of the wire. Remaining length of the wire is equal to 10.392 meters. Now we want to calculate how much length of the wire which we got. Therefore, length of wire which we cut is equal to, how to find this value? By subtraction of total length of the wire to remaining length of the wire. So is equal to total length of the wire, total length of the wire minus remaining length of the wire, remaining length of the wire, remaining length of the wire. Now total length of the wire, how much given in the diagram? 18 meters minus remaining length of the wire, how much you got? 10.392 meters. Now subtract this. 18 can be expressed as 18.000. Now this remaining is 10.392. Now subtract this. So here borrow 10, here remaining 9, here 9, remaining is 7. 10 minus 2, 8. 9 minus 9, 0. 9 minus 3, 6. And remaining is 7. Now we got the answer 7.608 meters. Okay, now this is the total length of the wire which we got. So how much you got? 7.608 meters. Okay. Now the next question, question number 6. See this. First read the question. The angle of elevation of the top of a building from the foot of the tower is 30 degrees and the angle of elevation of top of a tower from foot of the building is 60 degrees. Okay. If the tower is 30 meters high, find the height of the building. In this situation, now we want to calculate height of a building. Okay, related to this situation, first of all draw a knee diagram. So that is, so see that first sentence, angle of elevation of the building building, and this is tower. Building, let it be taken as AB and tower is C. Okay, so if the tower is 30 meters high, so that's why here 30 meters height given. Now we want to calculate find height of the building, so that is h. Now we want to calculate this h. Now, angular elevation of top of a building from foot of the tower. From foot of the tower. So that's why observer is near the foot of the tower. Through this foot of the tower, the angle of elevation is formed to top of a building. Are you understand, ma'am? Angle of elevation of top of a building from foot of the tower. So that means top of a building this is, foot of the tower this is. Okay, observer is in near the foot of the tower. Okay, now this is the angle of elevation. Through this point, draw a horizontal line. Now here angle of elevation is formed. That is how much formed? 30 degrees. Next is the next sentence. The angle of elevation of top of a tower from foot of the building. Okay, top of a tower from foot of the building. Okay, in this building, foot of the building is this one. From the foot of the building, draw a angle of elevation. Now here angle is formed. How much angle? 60 degrees. Okay, ma'am. Now related to this figure, this is the related to this situation. This is the figure. Now from this figure, write a steps. From adjacent figure, okay, building is vertically to the ground and tower is also vertically to the ground. Here full angle is 90, but here angle of elevation is 30. Full angle 90, angle of elevation is 60. Okay, in this figure two right angle triangles are there. What are those? A, B, D. A, B, D, and another triangle is C, D, D. Two right angle triangles. From this figure, AB is, let AB is height of a building. Height of a building. So that is, let it be taken as AB is equal to H. Next, CD is height of a tower. Height of a tower. So already given height of a tower. So how much given? 30 meters. Okay. Now first observation point is D and second observation point D. D comma B are positions of observer. Positions of observer. Okay, and so these two are the positions of observer. A and C are the objects. A comma C are positions of objects. Positions of objects. Now here angle of elevation is 30 and 60. First forms 30 then 60. So that's why angle CDB, comma angle ABD are angle of elevations. Angle of elevations. So angle of elevations, how much formed? Angle CDB is equal to 30 degrees formed and angle ABD is equal to, first angle of elevations is ADB. Here ADB, and here angle of elevation is CB. ABD and CBD. CBD is equal to 60 degrees. Okay. ADB 30 degrees. CBD 60 degrees. Okay. Now take the first triangle. So that is in triangle ABD. Through this angle, this is opposite and this is adjacent. Because why you are taking the adjacent side? This is one triangle and this is another triangle. In both the triangles, common side is base. So that's why I have to take this adjacent. So here angle is 30 degrees. Okay, we are separating this part here. Okay, now through this is 6. Through this angle, this is opposite and this is adjacent. Okay, why you are taking adjacent side? This triangle and this triangle, both the triangles having the common side is BD. Okay, two unknown things are not able to calculate now, so that's why I have to take common side. So that's why BD. Opposite, adjacent. Opposite by adjacent means the ratio is tan. Tan 30 is equal to opposite side of 30 degrees by adjacent side of 30 degrees. Adjacent side of 30 degrees. Tan 30 value is 1 by root 3. 30 opposite is AB and adjacent is B. 1 by root 3 is equal to AB value H, BD is unknown. Now cross multiply. BD by root 3 is equal to H. Now keep it in box now. Now take this triangle. So that is also you can separate. So that is the triangle CDB. So draw here CDB. Here angle is 60 degrees. Now we are already height given 30 meters. Related to this angle, this is opposite, this is adjacent. Again we are taking tan. Tan 60 is equal to opposite side of 60 degrees by adjacent side of 60 degrees. Okay, this opposite is CD. Tan 60 value is root 3. Opposite is CD and adjacent is BD. So root 3 is equal to CD is already given 30 meters by BD. BD is in denominator, moves to left side, numerator. This root 3 moves to right side by. How to express this 30? 3 into 10 by root 3. Now in this root 3 times cancel, remaining 10 root 3. So everyone knows root 3 value. So that is 1.732. So multiply that 7320. 3 is the center point. This is the answer. 70.320 meters. So that is the answer related to BD. So that means adjacent. But we want to calculate H value. That means this value. So this is the value. This is the condition 1. Now this BD value is substituted in the place of equation 1. Substitute BD value in equation 1. So H is equal to BD value 17.320 or otherwise 10 root 3. Take any number. Now I will take 10 root 3 only. Why? Because here denominator root 3 is there, no? So that's why I take 10 root 3 by root 3. Both are cancelled. Now we got 10. H is equal to 10 meters. H means what in this figure? H is the height of a building. So therefore write. Therefore height of a building. Height of a building. Height of a building is equal, H is equal to 10 meters. Okay. Now this is the answer, ma. Okay. Now today's class 2 sums I explained. So after writing the classwork, again practice.